The world of home entertainment is entering a new era, and Apple is once again leading the charge with a device that doesn't just upgrade your viewing experience, but completely redefines it. The Apple TV 4K 2025. At first glance, it may look familiar, but make no mistake, this tiny black box is a silent revolution in disguise. Apple didn't design this to be just another streaming device. It designed it to become the center of your digital universe, the brain of your home, the heart of your entertainment, and the connection point for everything Apple. The new Apple TV 4K 2025 is built on the ultra-powerful A17 Bionic chip, the same architecture that drives Apple's latest iPhones, delivering performance so fluid and powerful that even demanding apps and console-level games run effortlessly. For years, Apple TV was just seen as a premium streaming box, but now it's stepping into an entirely new category. Part console, part smart hub, and part AI-powered personal cinema. Imagine a device that not only streams your favorite shows in breathtaking clarity, but actually learns your preferences, adapts to your environment, and transforms the way you experience entertainment. That's exactly what the Apple TV 4K 2025 promises to do. It's faster, smarter, and more capable than anything before it, blurring the line between television, computer, and artificial intelligence. The visuals are stunning beyond belief. 8K support with adaptive HDR10+ and Dolby Vision IQ means every frame is alive, every color perfectly tuned, every shadow rich with detail. It's not just showing content, it's interpreting it, using Apple's neural engine to upscale older content with real-time AI enhancement that brings out hidden depth and realism you've never noticed before. Whether you're watching a classic film, a nature documentary, or an intense game, it feels like you're experiencing it for the first time. The sound system is equally impressive. Apple has introduced Spatial Audio 2.0, which uses your iPhone's LiDAR sensor to map your room's acoustics and fine-tune sound in real time, creating a personalized surround experience that literally feels built for your space. Movies explode with immersive energy, dialogues sound crisp, and music fills your room with rich, balanced tones that feel alive. This isn't just audio, it's acoustic intelligence. But what really separates Apple from the competition is how seamlessly everything connects. The new Apple TV is the ultimate example of ecosystem brilliance. Pick up your iPhone, and your show continues exactly where you left off. Put down your iPad, and your Apple TV instantly syncs playback. Tell Siri to play something calming, and your device curates options based on your mood, time of day, and even the weather. This is Apple Intelligence in action. Smart, private, and personal AI running entirely on device. No data selling, no tracking, no ads. Just an experience designed around you. Apple's focus on privacy is unmatched. Your data never leaves your device, and all recommendations are generated locally, meaning your viewing habits are yours alone. And while performance and privacy are key, Apple has also made gaming a serious priority this year. The A17 Pro chip architecture with MetalFX upscaling allows Apple TV 4K 2025 to handle console-quality games in 8K resolution at 60 frames per second with zero lag. Apple Arcade feels completely reborn, offering smooth, visually stunning experiences that rival the big consoles. And Apple's been in talks with major gaming studios to bring 808 titles directly to Apple Arcade Plus. Connect a controller, pair your AirPods, and it's like having a console that fits in your palm. But Apple doesn't stop at power. It focuses on experience. The new tvOS 19 introduces a beautifully redesigned interface that feels fluid and personal. The home theater mode is like magic. It dims your HomeKit lights, activates immersive sound, disables notifications, and creates a cinema-like atmosphere automatically. No setup, no hassle, just pure immersion. For smart home enthusiasts, the Apple TV 4K 2025 becomes the nerve center of your connected world, managing all your HomeKit and Matter devices faster and more intelligently than ever. Want to check who's at your door while watching a show? The camera feed appears in a corner of your screen instantly. Need to adjust lighting or thermostat? Just ask Siri. Everything feels intuitive, effortless, and beautifully integrated. Even the Siri experience itself has evolved. Thanks to Apple Intelligence, Siri now understands natural language better than ever. You can say things like, "What did I miss?" And it will instantly rewind, summarize the last scene, and give you character context, a futuristic level of interaction that feels almost human. The new remote has also received a major upgrade. Slimmer and more responsive, it now has a haptic touchpad for precise control, charges via USB-C, and includes Find My support, so you'll never lose it again. And if you're wearing an Apple Watch, you can even control playback, adjust volume, or activate home theater mode directly from your wrist. Effortless and elegant. Apple's also introducing a new shared watch feature that lets you watch shows and movies in perfect sync with friends or family anywhere in the world, complete with built-in voice chat and real-time reactions. It's like being together even when you're apart. Entertainment becomes social again. The adaptive display mode is another game changer. Using sensors from your TV, your iPhone, and your Apple Watch, it adjusts color temperature, brightness, and contrast dynamically based on your environment and content type. Sports look more natural, movies more cinematic, games more vivid, all automatically. It's not just smarter tech, it's invisible tech that adapts to you. And speaking of invisible, the performance improvements are massive. Benchmark results show it's 2.5 times faster than the previous model, runs cooler, and consumes less power, all while maintaining near-silent operation. It can multitask effortlessly, streaming, gaming, HomeKit automation, all happening simultaneously without lag. It feels less like a set-top box and more like a desktop-class computer hiding under your TV. The design, of course, remains unmistakably Apple, minimalist, solid, and elegant. But inside that simplicity lies complexity that other companies can't touch. Apple engineers have tuned the hardware and software integration so tightly that the entire experience feels alive, almost organic. And then there's the rumor mill. Whispers suggest Apple might be preparing a hybrid Apple TV HomePod device, merging sound and visuals into one AI-powered entertainment hub. Imagine a single device that's both a cinematic speaker and a powerful streamer, built to fill your room with sound, light, and intelligence. It would represent Apple's next evolution, not just products that you use, but ones that live with you. The expected price point starts at $199 for the base 128GB model, with higher-end versions around $299, featuring expanded storage and additional processing power. Some might call that expensive, but Apple isn't selling a streaming device. It's offering a future-proof ecosystem centerpiece that will likely last years. It's the kind of purchase that elevates your entire digital lifestyle. Insiders expect Apple to officially reveal it during spring 2025, possibly alongside a new Apple display line designed for ultimate integration, automatic calibration, seamless pairing, and synchronized aesthetics that make your home look and feel futuristic. And make no mistake, this launch will ripple across the industry. Competitors like Roku, Google, and Amazon will chase the specs, but Apple's focus is different. It's not about throwing features together. It's about crafting a complete, living experience. The Apple TV 4K 2025 represents the culmination of everything Apple stands for: design, power, privacy, and intelligence fused into one elegant device. It's not about what it does. It's about how effortlessly it does it. When you turn it on, it doesn't just play content. It creates moments. It senses your preferences, your lighting, even your mood, and turns your ordinary living room into a personalized cinematic environment.